Welcome to Sonaria, the planet of the prime, where emotions get approved and your magic must be timed. Your heartbreak gets reviewed, your smile is state assigned, and every child is cataloged by aura, caste, and sign. They crown you by your coping skills and medicate your dreams. Enroll you young in faction schools with soul compression beams. Shh, don't feel that, don't say that. Put your mask on straight, be clean, be great. Sonaria, where your magic must behave. Don't cry, just sparkle, don't rage, just wave. Cosmic noise under curfew, truth trapped in display. Smile for the system, you're rated today. There's talent shows for breakdowns and trophies for restraint. They medicate the visionaries and tell the quiet paint. The Streamlined get gold uniforms, the clowns a mirrored cell. The curated pose for glamour shots inside their mental hell. Another bright one, chaotic but sweet. Which mask will you wear while accepting defeat? Scenario where your trauma's dressed in lace, where the filters get thicker and no one breaks pace. Cosmic noise at assembly, soul scans on replay. What a beautiful cage to slowly decay. Era was born with the sky in her eyes, but they taught her to smile while she memorized lies. They said, don't be messy, don't ever be strange, just be predictably gifted and never change. Scenario where the children learn to fake, where the grief gets edited and the rage gets baked, where even the rebels are branded and sold, and the ones who escape break mirrors, break molds. I don't want to be the strongest one.